shadows of booming technological giants and relentless progress, there lies a silent struggle. A battle not for machines, but of minds. A battle for relevance, for a future unwritten, where many stand at the brink, their dreams fading into obsolescence. Meet the dreamers of today, armed with immense qualifications but stepping into an uncertain tomorrow. Hear the silent cries of parents who've sacrificed today, now fearing that their investment might vanish into the digital divide. This isn't just a local crisis, it's a global phenomenon. Our youths are not just competing with the locals or the neighbors. They are competing nationally, internationally, and even globally, where the boundaries blur and the technological innovations are supreme. In the heart of Karnataka, a revolution brews, not of dissent, but of determination. Hybrid incubation centers are emerging as battlegrounds, where skills meet opportunities, where resilience is forged. Every crisis brings an opportunity. It is our moment to redefine the essence of learning, to transform potential into mastery. This is more than education. It's the awakening of a generation. To the students, the dreamers, the fighters, they rise. Your time is not tomorrow, it's today. Together, let's bridge the divide. Let's build not just careers, but legacies. Let's not fear the future, let's shape it. Presented by InstaSkills, where the futures are not just predicted, but created. Join us, embrace the change, be the change. Let's pioneer a future together.